We have landed in Lake Sumter Landing, the Villages. A place where they will tell you.
One is one too many. One more is never enough.
Let's see the sights in and around Lake Sumter Landing. Because it's always a beautiful day in the Villages. With Johnny Rockets sitting right beside the old mill playhouse. Stick a feather in my cap. A beautiful lakeside lookout. It looks like filming location for Outer Banks Season 7. Cody's Roadhouse is a staple in the squares, while Lighthouse Point would be my folks' favorite place. Golf cart sales and service that seem to be a blast from the past. There's a big old Barnes & Noble to get some literature, right beside Chop House Italian. With the wonderful white cloth service overlooking the lock. Had an exceptional experience at RJ Gators on the water. Could have done brunch at the Flying Biscuit. While I have yet to visit Lighthouse Point, let me know if there's any restaurant you want me to do a video on. First time going to Lake Sumter, I saw The Last Jedi. Wasted time. But at least there's Lazy Mac's Taco Shack, right? Let's get some tacos, B. Spoke with some vets of the Band of Brothers MC that stop at City Fire weekly. Passing Chop House going down to the square. Take a ride with me. This square has it all. A theater, Johnny Rockets, there's a Starbucks up here on the right, and then a Panera straight ahead. Passing Lake Sumter itself, we're gonna see RJ Gators on the right, and then Red Sauce Italian on the left. The ever popular City Firestone Pizzas right here on the right. And a special shout out to Thai Ruby Restaurant with Miss Paula Busakorn holding it down. And Flying Biscuit up here on the left. The biscuits are so-so, but everything else absolutely fantastic. Shout out Sonny's Barbecue. Walking that same street now, see all the small business. Ah, for feet's sakes. I'm ex-Panera, I'm ex-Haagen-Dazs. I feel like I'm in the Truman Show. The Trudan Show, if you will.
While I'm away, I ride home every day, and I send all my loving to you. Now pretend.
Hit you with a little Beatles on the way out, and you can showcase red sauce. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.